quality, and you're getting the best price you can find anywhere out there. And it's not just supplements and consumables. We've got hard good products like our Stay Well Copper. We've got essentials like toothpaste. I mean, everybody's brushing their teeth. Now you can get the best quality toothpaste. I just saw that Colgate, as a massive class action lawsuit, they finally have discovered that there's a lot of chemicals inside that toothpaste that is a problem. And they've known it for decades, but they keep making it like that. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt your family. Upgrade to a premium quality toothpaste with no bad ingredients, no things that are known to be harmful, and do it where you don't have to compromise on quality, because you can get at such an incredible price at up to 50% off on this line here. And it just keeps coming. We've got, this whole line from Results RNA. They have dozens and dozens of products, and the best price anywhere on the internet is right here with your Save Club membership. Now, you're starting to see this, the GLP-1 craze, people losing weight, using semaglutide, and they're having to inject it, they're having to get doctor's prescriptions. The technology here where they're able to access these peptides, do it in a way with the sublingual nanotechnology. You put it right in your mouth, and at the price, it is just a superior product at the best price that you can find it anywhere out there. And again, just more Save Club exclusive deals. And this morning I got off the phone with another group. We're coming with a healthy, safe herbal vape product. It's phenomenal. I tested it out a couple months ago. I've been in negotiations with the owner. He's delighted to bring it to Save Club. So that'll be a new exclusive deal we'll be rolling out in the following week. So pretty exciting about how we're able to bring in products like this 3-Way Wellness, where when they launched this product, the first day they sold thousands of bottles. Everybody paid full price. But with the Save Club membership, you're able to get the product at the best price, the best savings that are available on the internet. So let's break down to why people really are attracted to Save Club. Saving money is great. And if you're the ultimate at saving, you can save your way down to zero, and that's phenomenal. But earning money, creating a residual income stream, creating a way where you can offset your residual bills, where you can supplement your lifestyle, and do it in a way.
Charles, you're not screen sharing?
Yeah, I'm not. I'm just talking straight to the camera, Matt.
Oh, okay. Just making sure, sir. Sorry.
And just doing it in a way. Thank you, though. Thank you, Matt. And just doing it in a way where you're able to supplement your lifestyle, replace residual bills, and do it with a product that's saving people money. Most opportunities, things that are out there, people are buying overpriced products, and the industry, the home-based business industry, has seriously suffered in the last 5 years. 35 of the top 50 home-based business and direct sales opportunities in the direct sales space have suffered. They've either gone out of business, had to merge, had to change their compensation structure. And the model of just charging more and more and more for products to support a compensation plan where very few people, like 1% of the people, make money, that model is dead. The model that is going to work for people is value. And when you're able to bring consistent value, savings, having people save money on the things that they're already purchasing, that's a way to build a solid residual income. Because if we can help people save more than $20 a month, they'll keep their membership. If people are coming on board and they've got a membership that's saving them money and it's supporting their charitable cause, their nonprofit organization, phenomenal. And if you're in here and you're able to offset your spending with residual income that comes in every single Friday, we pay every single Friday. We're never going to miss a date. We've never missed a date. And having a global opportunity where we can be distributing money from big economies to little economies, where we can have a opportunity where people can participate in 195 countries. Our payment platform is what allows us to do that. One of the core competencies that we have here at Save Club is distributing the commissions. And the platform that we selected to use has paid out over $1 billion in commissions, well over $1 billion in commissions in the history of what they're doing. So if you're looking for a solid opportunity that pays on time every time, we've got that here. And we can now pay on a virtual debit card, a physical debit card, ACH, in cryptocurrency, and we've got multiple payment systems that allow that. So to be part of Save Club, it's a $19.97 a month membership. With that, you can save far more than the cost of that. In fact, many people that use the Save Club membership save more in just 1 week of accessing the membership than the membership costs them for a whole year. And when people get involved with Save Club, many of them choose to be an affiliate because saving money is great, earning money is even better, and you can do both. And you can do that for just $60 a year to be an affiliate. And I'll show you what you get when you're an affiliate. But first, let me go through the 3 ways that you can be part of Save Club. You could be a pre-enrollee and a free app user. With that, you get access to the app where you get savings, you can get cash back, you can get savings. You can be giving away the app and earning $5 every time you give away the app. So we've got a business opportunity that is free, and it's a great way to test drive what we're doing here. You can be a member with Save Club and get access to all of our exclusive deals, get access to our My Deals portal, savings on your residual bills. We've got teams to negotiate your residual bills lower, and travel deals that are unbeatable anywhere out there, unbeatable. And if you want to be an affiliate, it's $60 annually and $19 a month, which means you can be in a business today for less than $80. A business that pays out every Friday, that has global reach, that has an incredible product line, and a product that is universal. Really, when you think about what we're doing here at Save Club, our product is money. And let's face it, money, it's like oxygen. You're not going to make it very far without it. And so it's something that everybody uses. And when we're able to not have to change people's buying habits, change what they're doing, but bring them value, that is an incredible business model. And that's what we're doing here at Save Club. So there's 2 ways to be an affiliate. The one I just covered, $79 gets you started, $20 a month, you're in business. If you're taking your business seriously and you want to open up 100% of the compensation plan, do that with our VIP membership. There's no monthly billing. It's $200, $299.97 for the entire year. And you're set up in business. You get all the advantages, tax advantages of being a business owner, and you get all the tools and the training, everything that you need to be in business for yourself and be earning profits, be earning residual income. Now, either way that you start with Save Club, if you start as a member at $19.97 or you start as an affiliate, we've got an enrollment bonus, which is a 3-day, 2-night vacation, staycation from our hotel inventory here in the United States. So we've got a travel partner that for 38 years has been building up the ultimate travel group, where they are purchasing millions of hotel rooms in advance. And this inventory is phenomenal. And because of our relationship with our travel partner, we've got the ability to bring this enrollment bonus to you. So whether you get started as a member or an affiliate, you'll get access to a certificate that is yours. Now, with Save Club, we've got a complete risk-free trial. There's absolutely no risk. When you upgrade today, you lock in your position inside of the matrix in the best possible spot. For those of you that are pre-enrollees that are looking at the company and you've got your free temporary spot, I highly encourage you to upgrade before midnight tonight. Upgrade right here on this call so that you can lock in your best spot, get your enrollment bonus, and there's really no risk. We've got a 7-day risk-free trial. If you don't like what you see, you don't think there's savings, you don't think there's an opportunity here, with one click you can cancel your membership. So you've got everything to gain, absolutely nothing to lose. And even if you cancel your membership, we're still going to give you your travel bonus and your hotel stay. So get started today and watch the momentum build inside of of your education, inside of understanding what to do in a home-based business, utilize the app and get the savings here. So what happens when you upgrade and become a Save Club member? Well, first of all, we show you how to use these tools, the app, the replicating websites, our automated follow-up system. We've got over 30 different direct sales landing pages and marketing sites that are provided for you. We've got AI tools that do the follow-up for you. If you're looking at doing a business in 2026, make sure the business has AI working for you, because there's two types of people. People that will consume AI, you can't get away from it. It is part of humanity now. And people that actually have AI working for them to bring them money. And when you couple that with our mass marketing programs, with our fundraising programs, with our ability to work with large databases, it's a dynamite situation here where you've got the marketing systems, the power line, the mobile app, the AI. You've got all these tools provided for $60 a year. That's what your affiliate fee is. It's mind-blowing what's available here, just how advanced this industry has become, and we're out here being the most competitive business opportunity, bringing the most tools, bringing the most value. That, along with our 2x16 matrix, where as our matrix grows and customers coming in, today we did matrix pay, we did matrix matching bonus pay, and people are getting paid residual income for these memberships inside of their group. This is an example of what's possible with a matrix in place. Even if you sponsored nobody, the potential payout is up to $4,095 a month just from your matrix filling out. And it gets even more exciting if you actually sponsor people, because not only are you getting your matrix pay, you're matching the matrix pay of others. And so it becomes a dynamic situation. This compensation plan has been time tested. We love what's going on here, and it's the momentum that gets it moving that can really get people paid. You can leverage these webinars. We do 3 live webinars a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Invite your prospects here. We'll show you how to do that. And when you get started, you're given access to our 90-day Blitz training program, where we've got over 100 videos, step-by-step training, personal coaching to help you acquire the skills that are needed in 2026 to work from home. World-class mentorship. We didn't hold anything back. Trainings like this cost thousands and thousands of dollars, and we didn't hold anything back. We put it all into the 90-day Blitz training program, and you get that with your Save Club affiliate package. Now, what I'm most proud about is we've got a community of leaders. We've got a community of people working together to help earn money, to help work together to build the best product and to put people in a position to make residual income. And part of that is having the right mindset. When having the right ideas about what it takes to work from home, when having the right mindset, that's an important part of succeeding at a home-based business. And we also provide that to our affiliates with our 100 Good Days training program, which is also provided for free when you become a Save Club affiliate. So I'm going to pull up here a tour and show you guys where you can go to log in to your Save Club account and upgrade. So let me share my screen again. All right, so let's take a look here. So if you're online right now and you haven't upgraded and you're a pre-enrollee, you simply go here to saveclub.com/login, or you can go to some of the emails that we sent you, and you can get back here to log in. And you get to log into your account by simply putting your email address into right here. And what it's going to do is log you in to your own account. And that's what we have right here. So, you're able to be put into the system, and from here you can upgrade into being a Save Club. You can upgrade into being a Save Club affiliate by clicking the Join Now link. You pick your package here. You can start for as little as $19.97 a month, or you can be an affiliate here for $79 and the monthly, or we have a 6-month package and we have an annual package. That's how you get started with Save Club and get into business working from home. So with that, everybody, I highly encourage you to get started with Save Club. Tonight is the cutoff. You're probably getting emails letting you know that there's momentum going on with the company, and that if you lock in your position, you'll be positioned in the highest possible spot inside of the matrix. So with that, everybody, I thank you for attending our call tonight. Matt, you got anything else I should cover before I cut everybody loose?
No, amazing. To the point presentation, Charles, and amazing. Folks, lock in by midnight Pacific Standard Time tonight. Don't let somebody else take the spot in the matrix. The residuals are awesome. Weekly case is awesome. And if you do the work, you'll get paid. And then remember, you're saving people money on everything they're spending. Come on. Thank you, Charles.
Yeah. So we're rocking it. So okay, guys, have a fantastic Friday, and we'll see you on our live training Monday morning. Welcome aboard.